Karen on the train. How was it? Yeah, I was real close to saying plane again. She's trying to back it up on me. You see that? Hey, little John, back it up. Yeah, let me go somewhere.
Back it up.
Wow. So how you doing, Mama?
I'm good.
Yeah?
I'm cool.
Full of what? Oh. You had a baby or something?
No.
Yeah.
I'm food baby.
It was extra on that plate too. That's funny. You're a dork, Mom. What you wanna do later? Oh, trust me, people sleep like that. They would sleep. No, you think I'm playing? On the train, these people would sleep. Alright, look, here, I will show you. I'll show you. Here, hold this. I'll show you. It is. Right, and then the stop comes up, right? Right, I'm gonna show you how.
No.
Oh, you know? This shirt is holy and I got it blessed. Anyways, back to, you know, what I was saying, that she was hating on me.
Whatever.
She got me a holy sweater. Anyways,
No,
they be like this,
didn't.
right? And the stop comes up. You know, I thought the line. And leave. Now, trust me, if you're on the train, sleeping, I bet you will go back and forth without even knowing. But these people, I guess they got like 3 years or something. They here where they need to get off. I do it sometimes too, you know. I'm learning. My eyes gonna be like this soon. Anyways. What's up?